Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to prevent glare on your glasses in a video. These will be easy steps in a very simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. Once again, the topic of this video is as follows. I will be showing you and telling you how to prevent glare on glasses in a video. These will be easy steps in a simplistic tutorial, so let's get into this. So essentially, if you're filming a video, you are wearing glasses, there's a chance that you're gonna have glare on your glasses, and I'll tell you how I avoid it. I have made thousands of videos on this channel, and I actually have a few other channels that I no longer work on right now, but I have made basically almost 1,000 videos combined on the other channels as well. So I've made tons of videos, and I rarely have glare on my glasses, and I'll tell you why. First of all, the cause of the glare, okay, is the light hitting your glasses, and then your glasses reflecting that light onto the camera lens. That's really the cause of it. That's why sometimes if someone's using a ring light, you can see glare on their glasses and stuff like that. So it's really the angle of the light hitting your glasses and then the angle of your glasses reflecting that light onto the camera lens, okay? Now, why don't I basically ever get glare in my glasses on my videos? Because I don't use any forward lights. I use lights above me. I use natural light outside. I very rarely will have a light hitting me from, light illuminating me from the front. I have done it in the past, but once again, because I wear glasses, it was a problem, and I basically just don't do it anymore. So how do you fix it? Well, you basically can do one of two things. Or technically, you can do one of three things. You have to move something, okay? So you have to move either the light, your glasses, or yourself as a person, or the camera. One of those three things has to be moved because you want to make sure that that light no longer hits your glasses and your glasses no longer reflect that into the camera lens. So essentially, you can move the light, and what I suggest, honestly, the best thing is move the light a little bit higher and angle it downwards, right? Like move it a little bit higher and angle it a little bit more downward, and that will give you usually the solution that you need. Or you can move the light from side to side, or you can move yourself or your glasses. So the second thing you can move would be your glasses. You can change the angle of your glasses, right? So you can go like that. You know what I'm saying? Literally, just changing the angle a little bit will reflect that light. If I bring the arms of the glasses up, it will reflect the light further down, which will hopefully avoid it hitting the camera lens, right? Obviously, it looks a little bit weird, but you get the idea. You can also push them to one side or another. Like I said, it might not be the most comfortable thing, but it'll get the job done. Or you can change the location of yourself. So I can move to the side. I can change my angle like this, right? You can move yourself, right, and change the angle of yourself. And the third thing that you can do, the third thing that you can move is the camera itself. If your camera's on a tripod, move the camera. You don't have to physically move it like side to side. You can raise it or lower it as well. But you need to get yourself and the light and the camera at a point where that light is not reflecting off of your glasses into the camera lens. That's literally what causes the glare. Very simple, right? The light is hitting your glasses, and the camera lens is seeing that light hit your glasses. Think about it like that. So, I mean, the most effective things would be numbers 1 and 2. Move the light and move yourself or your glasses. Number 3, moving the camera. You probably have to move it a significant amount to get rid of that glare, but it will work. But the easiest things that you can move would be yourself, your glasses, or the actual light itself. And honestly, if you've already set up your scene, just move the light. I know you want the best lighting, but settle for the second best lighting, and then instead have no glare to worry about. That's it. Or wear contacts, and then problem solved, right? I used to wear contacts. I really no longer wear them right now at the time of filming this, taking a couple years off. I'm probably going to wear them again in a couple years, but for now, I'm just sticking to glasses. Anyways, that's essentially it. How to prevent glare on glasses in a video. Easy steps in a simplistic tutorial. If you like this instructional video tutorial with step-by-step instructions, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.